In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a downloaded book from the Kindle app on your iPhone. This is a quick way to free up storage on your device without losing access to your books. Think of it as clearing the local copy while keeping the title safely stored in your Kindle library in the cloud. First, open the Kindle app on your iPhone. If you haven't used it recently, give it a moment to load your library. You'll see a menu along the bottom of the screen. Tap Library. This is where all your Kindle content lives, including books you've purchased, samples, and any titles borrowed through services tied to your account. At the top of the library view, tap the Downloaded filter. This filter is particularly useful because it narrows your view to only the books that are physically stored on your iPhone. In other words, these are the items currently taking up storage space. If you're trying to reclaim some room on your device, this step ensures you're looking at exactly what can be removed locally. If you don't see the filter right away, make sure you're at the top of the library screen so the filter bar is visible. Next, find the book you want to remove from your iPhone. Press and hold the cover of that book. Holding for a second will bring up a pop-up menu with several options. This long press action is the fastest way to access controls for that specific title without opening it. From the pop-up menu, select Remove Download. Confirm if prompted. This action deletes the downloaded file from your iPhone, immediately freeing up storage, but it does not remove the book from your Kindle account. You'll still see the title in your library, typically with a small cloud icon, indicating it's available to download again whenever you need it. Your purchase remains intact, and your reading position, bookmarks, and notes are synced to your account so you won't lose your place. Removing a download doesn't require an internet connection, but downloading it again later will. That's all there is to it. By opening the Kindle app, going to your library, filtering to downloaded, long pressing the book, and choosing Remove Download, you keep your library organized while saving space on your iPhone. This is especially helpful before installing updates, recording videos, or traveling when you need extra room. If you ever want that book back on your device, it's ready for you in your library. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Kindle collection tidy and your iPhone running smoothly.